Are you thinking about starting an Airbnb business, but you're like, I don't know where to start or how to actually begin? And you're like, look, how do you see these people that have 30 to 100 units? The strategy that I use to build my Airbnb empire is called OPM, Model Mimic Master, what I'm about to tell you. Okay, I use companies like Cabbage, Blue Vine, First National Bank of Omaha. These are the banks that you can use to actually furnish the property and actually pay the rent as well using a technique called plastique. Okay, I'm gonna get into that later. But for right now, listen, if you're thinking about starting an Airbnb business, why use your own capital in your checking and savings account to expand? The way to do it is leverage other people's money. Now, here's what I'm going to give you for free. My team thought I was actually crazy. They're kicking me right now for giving this away for free. I'm going to give you a document that has over 50 credit cards. It'll tell you the credit bureau the card pulls from, the score need to get it, and the approximate credit limit you can get based on your credit score. I'm going to go one step further. Let's say you have an LLC. I'm going to actually give you a document that has over 15 credit cards, all business credit cards. And here's the cool thing. They don't require a personal guarantor or a social security number to actually get the credit card. Okay. Now, to get that document, if you just click the link below, I'm going to send it over to your email for free is my gift to you right now because I want to see you scale just like I did and just like you see these people that have hundreds of units. You're like, how do they do it? This is how they do it. They use other people's money. They're not using their own money. Click the link below, get your free document right now, and I will see you on the inside. Let's roll.